This video is on how to file income tax return in offline mode. You can file your income tax return either directly on the e-filing portal, or you can download the offline utility, prepare your income tax return and then upload on the e-filing portal. You can download the utility, which is a common offline utility of ITR 124, or you can download the Excel based utility of ITR 1 to ITR 7, prepare your ITR and then upload on the income tax portal. To file the income tax return, you should be a registered user of the e-filing portal and you should be having a valid PAN. If you want to file your income tax return in the offline mode, you should also fulfill some of the system requirements. You should have the required version of Java utility with Java runtime environment. If you wish to download the Java runtime environment, you can download it from the website www.oracle.com. The link of the website is provided here. In order to run the Excel utility, you should have the required version of macro-enabled MS Office Excel. Let us now see how do we prepare and file our income tax return using the common offline utility. You are required to visit the e-filing portal homepage and click on Downloads. In the Downloads section, you are required to select the relevant assessment year and download the common offline utility. Once the utility is downloaded in the Downloads section of your computer, you are required to install the utility. Once the utility is installed, you can double-click on the utility to land on the home page. Now you can click on Continue to file your ITR for assessment year 23-24. You can click on File Returns to file your ITR. Please select Download or Import option to have the pre-filled data to proceed further. After having selected the relevant radio button, click on Continue. If you decide to download the pre-filled data, you are required to enter the PAN and select the relevant assessment year. Enter the e-filing credentials to download the pre-filled data. Once the pre-filled data is downloaded, you can click on File Return. If you choose the alternative option, that is to import the pre-filled data, you can select the relevant radio button and click on Continue. Again, you are required to enter the PAN and assessment year. Now you can upload the JSON file and click on Proceed. To upload the JSON file, you can download the same from the e-filing portal. To download the pre-filled JSON from the e-filing portal, you can log into the portal, go to e-file menu, then select Income Tax Return and download the pre-filled data. The downloaded file can be attached here and then click on Proceed. The third option is Import Draft ITR filed in online mode. In case you've already partially filled return in online mode, you can import it here if you wish to change the mode of filing from online to offline mode. And then click on Continue. Here you can upload the JSON file and then click on Proceed. After the data has been added, you will be redirected to File ITR screen, which will contain the basic pre-fill information from the JSON. Now click on File Return. You can select the status applicable to you and then click on Continue button. Now you can select the relevant ITR form and then click on Let's Get Started. You are required to validate all the tabs of the income tax return form. You can enter all the necessary and applicable details and calculate your tax liability. Check your tax liability or the refund amount, and then you can submit and preview your return. On the preview screen, you can download or print your income tax return for your reference and then click on Proceed to Validation to validate the return. Once the validation is successful, you can click on Proceed to Verification. Here you are required to connect to the e-filing portal, so you are required to enter your e-filing user ID and password to verify the return. Click on Upload Return and select the appropriate verification method. Kindly note that the time limit to verify the income tax return has been reduced from 120 days to 30 days. For more secure and hassle-free verification of income tax return, it is advisable to e-verify through Aadhaar OTP, net banking, pre-validated bank account, or DMAT account OTP under e-verification now option. Post-verification, you will get a success message. You can also download the Excel utility from the e-filing portal. So therefore, go to the e-filing portal homepage and click on Download. Select the relevant assessment here and download the Excel utility for ITR 1 to ITR 7. Once the file is downloaded, you are required to double-click on the zip file in the Downloads section of your system to access the relevant income tax return. In case while opening the utility, you find a security error appearing on the screen, you are advised to extract the utility and then right-click on the utility. Post right-click, click on the properties and then select unblock option. After unblocking, you can open the Excel utility for filling the return. In the Excel utility also, you can import the JSON or the pre-filled data. You can prepare or edit the return in the offline utility, post validation, generate a JSON and upload it on the e-filing portal. To upload the JSON, again you are required to log into your e-filing account. Post login, go to e-file, income tax returns and file income tax returns. Select the relevant assessment year and the mode of filing as offline. Select the filing type as original, revised, updated or belated and the ITR form and then click on continue button. Please note that the updated return utility and the belated return utility is enabled for an assessment year after the end of due date of filing the income tax return. Now you are required to attach the JSON file and click proceed to verification. Select the verification method. Again, kindly note that the time limit to verify the income tax return has been reduced from 120 days to 30 days. For a more secure and hassle-free verification of income tax return, it is advisable to e-verify either through Aadhaar OTP or net banking, pre-validated bank account or Demat account options under the e-verify now option. Post verification, you will get the success message that your return has been successfully filed and verified. Filing of return using offline utility is very easy. To know more, you can visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.